Are you thinking about starting a home search and wondering where to start? We're going to talk about that coming up next. Hey friends, Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty, and today with Scott Sibberson joining me, we're going to have a quick conversation about what to do when you're starting your home search. So Scott, when I'm thinking about getting ready to buy a house, what would you say is maybe the first step I should take when I'm thinking about doing that?
Well, a lot of people start by just going to the internet, and that's probably a wasted time. I think it's really, really important for someone to, when they're serious about getting started, to get a hold of a professional like us that can help guide them through the process and make sure that they don't waste weeks and weeks of time and they can get started.
Okay, that makes sense. So hiring a professional first, so hiring an agent. So how would someone go about doing that?
Contact us and we can help you out.
Okay, yeah, and so what's different about now that what used to be maybe 2 or 3 years ago, if you bought a house a long time ago, is that in order to see homes now, you actually have to hire a real estate agent before you go see that first home. In the past, agents would be able to show you a house and then you wouldn't have any formal agreements, maybe a verbal at best, or maybe not even discuss it, which is what most agents did. But now the law's changed in Ohio, and so if an agent is showing you a home and they haven't had you sign an agreement of some sort, they're actually breaking the law. So obviously number one step is to hire your agent.
Hire an agent that can take you, open up the house, show you what's good and bad about the house, and have those conversations.
Okay, what's number two then, you say?
Number two is to make sure you've got your financing in order. So as you start this process, get a hold of a local finance company, and if you contact us again, we can recommend some really good local finance companies that can help determine what can you really afford in today's market and help us determine what houses to really look at.
So why or what benefit is there for a person who's buying a house to do that now? Why don't they just get in a contract first and then work on that?
Well, it's important that as we get ready to write a contract offer, that we have a pre-approval so that it makes our offer really strong compared to somebody that doesn't have financing in place.
Okay, sounds good. So number one thing is to meet with and hire an agent. Number two is to get your financing in order. And what would be the third thing you'd say to do?
I would say third, start looking. Once you have everything in place, go out and look at houses, determine what neighborhood you want to be in, what houses fit my price range, and at that point we can find that house that fits your needs.
Yeah, so really it's about deciding what you want, and some of deciding what you want is about understanding what's available and about physically experiencing the neighborhoods you might be thinking about living in.
Absolutely, and determining what priorities the house has for you.
Right, exactly. What things are you willing to give up and what things are not willing to give up.
Correct.
So there you have it. That's the top 3 things you need to do when you're thinking about starting your home search. This is Scott Sibberson, I'm Ryan Reynolds, and we're both with the Ryan Reynolds team here at Keller Williams Consultants Realty, guiding you to the home that fits your life.